Sketch out your wing design. Think about the shape, size, and vibe: angelic, demonic, fairy tale. Your imagination is your only limit. Transfer your sketch to a large sheet of craft paper to create a true-to-size pattern. This will be your guide for every piece that follows. Grab your foam roll and trace all the elements you need. For this project, we're making 3 different feather sizes for a layered, realistic look. Use a ruler as a guide for the sizes. Using your trusty K26 fit grip knife, cut out each feather shape. Be sure to place a self-healing cutting mat underneath to protect your workspace. With an embossing stylus, press in the details: veins, ridges, texture. This gives your feathers dimension and makes them look more realistic. Take your feathers outside or into a well-ventilated area. Use spray paint to add color. Feel free to layer tones for a more magical effect. For the main frame, cut your PVC pipe to size using a coping sawed a little extra length for attaching it to your costume. This will be your main support structure. Use metal wire to create the wing shape based on your original sketch. Wrap your frame with foam for structure and volume. Use a hot glue gun to secure everything in place. Attach your foam feathers one by one using contact, cement, or hot glue. Start from the bottom and layer upwards to mimic natural feather placement. Respray any exposed areas where glue or wire might be showing. Touch up your paint job to keep everything seamless. Repeat the process for the other wing, then attach both to your costume harness or backplate. Want more fun and creative DIYs? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for tutorials, tips, and cosplay magic you won't want to miss.